Hi, Namaskar. Welcome to the Gajali program. I would like to introduce you myself, and I'm Mr. Pramad Bhatt, the owner of Pramastar Company and the organizer of the event Mr. Beau and Miss Magnific India Season 3. And let me introduce you today's guest for the day. And Miss Vedika, she is the Miss Beau, that is Miss Gorgeous winner of Season 3 India 2020. And let me introduce the other guest of the day, that is Mr. Sanjeev Singh. He is a fitness model and the brand ambassador, and he was the jury for the Mr. Beau and Miss Magnific India Season 3 2020. And the other guest for the day is Mr. Akib Mukashi. He is the brand ambassador winner for the event Mr. Beau and Miss Magnific India Season 3. We welcome you all for today's event. So Vedika, I want you to introduce yourself to the people, share your experience throughout your journey.
हांव एक गोंयचे चली, म्हजें नांव आसा वेदिका फलारी. हे टायटल घेवपाक म्हाका खूब कश्ट पडला आनी हें म्हाका सहजासहजी मेळूंक ना. हाजे सपोर्टर आसा म्हाजे पेरंट्स, म्हाजे मम्मा पप्पा, मिसेस रोशनी फलारी एंड मिस्टर गजानन फलारी, एंड ऑफकोर्स द POC कंपनी ओनर मिस्टर प्रभात भट. ही इज अ बिगस्ट सपोर्टर इन माय लायफ. ताणीच म्हाका एनकरेज केलें आनी ते म्हणपाक लागले की तूं आमच्या इव्हेंटान एकदां पार्ट घेवन पळय. आनी हांवें तो घेतलो आनी हांवें तो अचीवूय केलें आनी हांव भितन खूब हॅप्पी आसा. दुसरी गजाल म्हणल्यार तांच्यांनी म्हाका तिनूच गजाली शिकयल्यो, त्यो हांवें सारक्योच धरल्या तकलेन. डेलिकेशन, डिसन्सी एंड पेशन्स. आनी त्यो तकलेन धरून हांवें दुसऱ्या दिसाची म्हाजी प्रिपरेशन्स केलें. ह्यो 3 गजालीच आसा ज्यो एका मॉडलाक क्वीन करूं शकता. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार ह्या 3 गजालीन आमी खंयच्यानय खंय पावूं शकता. आनी हातून आनी एकूय वर्ड आसा, तो आसा हार्डवर्क. विदाउट हार्डवर्क यू आर नथींग. युअर लक मायट फेल बट युअर हार्डवर्क नेवर फेल्स. ही एकूच गोश्ट हांवें तकलेन धरून हांव आज फुडें सरलां. आनी दुसरी गजाल म्हणल्यार हांव एकूच आयच्या गोंयच्या युवकांक सांगूंक शकता की बिलीव इन युअर सेल्फ, बी कॉन्फिडंट अबाउट यू, डोंट फॉलो द वर्ल्ड, लेट वर्ल्ड फॉलो यू एंड युअर स्टायल. तुमी स्वताचेर विश्वास दवरा. तुमी स्वताचेर कितें करूंक सोदता, स्वताक कितें घडोवंक सोदतात ताचेर विश्वास दवरा आनी तुमी फुडें चलात. आनी तुमकां कांयच करपाची गरज ना. आनी एक म्हाजी विनंती आसा गोंयच्या पेरंट्सां कडेन की तुमच्या भुरग्यांक जी आवड आसा तातूंत तुमी फुडें काडा तुमच्या भुरग्यांक. जशें म्हाज्या आवय बापायन म्हाका फुडें काडलें तशेंच तुमी बीन सपोर्ट करा. आनी म्हाका इतलो विश्वास आसा ते जर तुमी कशें तुमची भुरगीं एक ना एक दीस तुमकां खंय तरी प्रावड शुअर करतली.
So Vedika, I want you to share your experience by comparing your previous events and this event. What were the differences? What would you like to say about this thing to the audiences?
I also participated in many previous events. That was Indie Royal Miss India. I won Miss India title over there also. But there is a big difference between this Miss India title and also in that Miss India title, because I got a catalog shoot. I never even think about that I will be doing a catalog shoot for Lakme. And that's the biggest thing which I achieved. Second thing, I did many shoots like Peachtree. That is also a branded company. Even for that I did. आणि सेकंड थिंग म्हणल्यार ऑफिशियल स्टोरांत आमकां वचून शूट करपाक मेळ्ळें. आमकां तो करपाक मेळ्ळो हेच म्हाका एक म्हाजें खूब व्हडलें अचिवमेंट दिसता, बिकॉज Lakme is a brand which I also use.
So being a queen and being the winner of this, so what are the things you are going to come up with the further?
Further things that now I have made my Goa proud, but now I will try to make my India also proud. I want to win title of Miss Internationals also, and I will make my India proud, that for sure.
So I request Mr. Sanjeev, being the judge for the event for the finale, I want you to share your opinion and views on journey.
Hi, I'm Sanjeev Singh. I'm a PSC star company of the model, and being a judge, and she is a very talented model, and she's very talented, and she as a DDP is like DCNC and dedication and patience is too much. It's very good. तो अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए यही कहना चाहेंगे कि अभी इसका मिस एंड मिस्टर गॉर्जियस एज पार्ट विनर इज अ फॉल विनर. So maybe next time I'll go for international, or maybe with the proud of India.
I have always believed that Goan soil has got and produced the talented models in the various fashion industries. They have made proud India at the various fashion weeks, beauty pageants and many fashion events. So I was very happy being 2 winners from Goa this time. So Vedika's journey is not at over. This is just a beginning, I would love to say to the audience. So she will be soon representing after 2 months with a proper and upgraded training by our PSC team, that is Pramastar company team. She will be upgraded all the knowledges and she will be representing India at the international in the coming days. So it wasn't a very easy job to her, being very new to the Karnataka state, and the event was placed at the Hubli city, so which is second largest city in Karnataka. Being a Goan, she was very new to the city. She wasn't knowing the languages. Though she was very new, she didn't give up. She kept on working hard. The 2 days, her journey, she has gone through talent round and press and media session, and she was been also like done a catalog shoots with the international brands like Peach Tree and the Lakme, Color Bar, and many other international well recognized brands. So it's always been a happy feeling to working with the international brand. What do you say, Vedika?
Yes, sir. Because it was my dream to work for like me, because I used to see Kareena Kapoor and all like doing it, and I really loved it. I
So
really
this
loved
shows like dreams do come true with the proper hard working.
Yes.
And as we always believe, like without dedication, decency, and
Decency,
patience, nothing
patience.
is impossible in the
Yeah.
modeling. So always there is a thing related to modeling, that is a beauty with a purpose, and she's a very good example for that. She has also connected the social activities with the modeling this thing, and she was also been a part of a charity which we had been organized by the PSC after the finale. And I will request Mr. Akib to share your experience, as you had been already participated in prior of event along with the PSC team.
Hi, myself Akib. I'm from Goa. We had done Peter England shoot and Raymond shoot and more others, Sam. Vedika is too talented girl, and her attitude and aspirations good, and she is deserved to be winner.
Share your journey of modeling.
The journey was too good, and this platform was too good for us, and we can reach in highest international show. We can participate in international show. I am the winner of brand ambassador of Pramastar company.
So this was very experiencing words from the Mr. Akib and Miss Vedika, as the both the things are not yet done, like a lot of the things has to be continued. So how were you being prepared for the question answer round? What all the things you had been observed during the question answer round?
during the question answer round, I was a little nervous because I don't know which question will be asked by judges. But I think that when they asked me, that time you just have to say it in a 1 minute. So I just said that question which was asked from judges, that is, which is more important to you, commitment or priority? And I just said it commitment. I said it commitment, and I said that priorities might change but commitment doesn't, because I had promised my mom that I will make her proud, and standing on that stage I had already made her proud. So I just completed my commitment.
No doubt you have not only made your family proud, you have made every Goan proud.
Full team as a proud.
So by winning a title, you have made every Goan proud. So once you are preparing for the international, from whom you would love to get trained?
Of course, PSC company.
Yes.
Because I know that students who are trained by PSC company, especially from Pramad sir, they all have been a winner for India and they had made India proud. So even I want to make India proud, and no doubt when Pramad sir trains you, they surely make the India proud.
So this is like not only a hard working by the PSC team, it is both the end 50-50. When the two hands joins, then only we can clap together.
Yeah.
So it's a half and half situation, 100% from your side and 200% from our side.
Yes.
So on behalf of all, I would like to thank our PSC team and the jury for the event, who had been a very spectacular and had been properly maintained all the things. Mr. Sanjeev Singh, Mr. Karthik, Mr. Junaid, Mr. Mayank, Mr. Muti, and Miss Ruchita. And these are all models which are being recognized at the international. And being a team of PSC, we had already been to two international events where we ended at the top 4 in the both and winning the biggest title and made our India proud at the UAE and at the Manhunt India, which was held in Goa. So, being the challenging task and coming across is the fashion, this thing every year, it's very much important even to us to upgrade all the things. So, a day to day update with the fashion industry is very much necessary. So, like being a model trainer and the groomer for the models, so it's a very difficult task to train everyone. Everyone, like the event which Vedika, Akib, and the Terrence had been participated across all the India, the people had come to participate, and the competition was very tough. From every state and every city, the contestant had come from Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Mysore, Goa, Belgaum, Dharwad, and many different places of the India. So it feels an immense pleasure to share my experience with the very talented models coming everywhere from the India. And it's feel privileged to be at the Goa and sharing few moments with our winner. So my opinion about I personally feel like Vedika is a very hardworking girl, and the time I had been observe her, like she is very dedicated to the things, and she is a very good learner and a very fast learner. So there is no doubt, like in a coming time, if you represent India at the international, for sure you are going to make everyone proud, not only Goa, the whole India will be proud of you.
Yes, sir.
And so your Goan people have always backed up you, being a big supporter. And I personally feel like Goan industry, the fashion industry is too good, and they are supporting you always for getting a good number of events. So the if you personally want to say something for PSC, what would be that thing?
That is like they I have also worked with many companies, but they teach you the correct thing, that is dedication, decency and patience. They just they just take you where you have to be, where you deserve it. Like मतलब म्हणजे एक सांगपाक सोदता की ते तुका त्या जाग्यार व्हरता थंय तूं डिजर्व करता. म्हणजे हांव म्हणना की हांव ते सगळें डिजर्व करतालें, पूण आतां हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां, आतां हांव फुडें जें कितें डिजर्व करता तें म्हाका फक्त तेच डिजर्व करून दिवंक शकता. आनी PSC कंपनी तेंच्या बद्दल उलोवपाक म्हाजे कडेन वर्ड्स ना, म्हाजे कडेन शब्द ना. आतां हांवें जें डिजर्व केलां तेज्या पासून म्हाका आतां फुडें डिजर्व करपाक म्हाका आतां तेच हेल्प करूं शकता. आनी म्हाका एकूच तांचेर विश्वास आसा की हांवें जसो जसो गोवाक प्रावड केला तशेंच म्हाका इंडियाकूय प्रावड करपाक म्हाका तेच हेल्प करतले.
So this was a very good opinion and the experience what you had been part of your journey with the PSC.
Yes.
So like I would request Sanjeev to say few more words about Vedika and the PSC team.
वेदिका बहुत टैलेंटेड लड़की है. सो बीइंग ए जज एंड एज ए ग्रूमर, सो सीइंग एवरीथिंग, सो लाइक इज अ वॉक एंड एटीट्यूड एंड स्माइल एंड एवरीथिंग, सबके साथ ऐसे पूरा मैच्योर होना एंड घूमना एंड टॉकिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. सो वेदिका, very very congratulations on your winning and your queen. So we and success on your next panel, and will be very very congratulations.
So like this was a experience and opinion regarding the Vedika. You would like to tell the things.
And like opinion is like regarding this कि जो आपने अपनी स्टार्टअप किया है, आपने दूसरी कंपनी के साथ किया और PSC कंपनी के साथ किया है, इट्स अ डेट डिफरेंट. बोलते हैं लेकिन करते नहीं हैं.
हाँ.
PSC कंपनी जो बोलते हैं वो करते हैं.
और मैं और एक बात बताना चाहूँगी, ही कंपनी जे आसा ते उलयता ते करून दाखयता आनी जे उलयना ते करून दाखयता. तुमी जो पयला आसतलो जो क्राउन म्हणजे हांवें जो घातला आतां तो, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ क्राउन बट इट्स अ प्लॅटिनम कोटेड क्राउन.
Yeah.
आनी वो क्राउन तुमी IFWकूय कंपेर करूं शकता. तांचो क्राउन आनी आमचो क्राउन सेम आसा. आनी वो क्राउन घालून म्हाका आज खूब प्रावड फील जाता, बिकॉज दिस विनिंग दिस क्राउन वॉज माय ड्रीम.
So
The
Vedika
crown is like nothing without a queen, And the people, the deserving, when one wears it, the crown, na, it
Yeah.
gives a perfect meaning for
It's a
that.
perfect meaning.
Without Vedika, it was just a crown. Once she has wear it, na, it has given a
The
perfect meaning
perfect
for that.
mean. Vedika is a queen.
So, and Mr. Akib, like you have been won as the brand ambassador.
Yes.
So, in the coming days, you are going to represent India at the international. So, what all the things you want to work it on?
First of all, I want to tell hard work. Hard work is important. Without hard work, nothing is there. And I wanted to tell Pramod sir, he support us for every good and bad time. He support us.
We have personally taken care of coming days. We make sure that he get a more updated knowledge, like on his fitness, his communication, his attitude, all the X factors which are related to the modeling. So we'll be more working on the things, and we'll make sure that the Goan talent will be rocking even at the international.
100%.
And as we told the winner, Mr. Terence, he couldn't make out today because he wasn't keeping well. So even he is a very talented model. Similar qualities which Vedika has. He has got a good walk, attitude, communication, and even he is part of international
talented
many
also.
events, worked for many international fashion designers. So like being a star himself, he always believe like Prama Star company will make him a much bigger platform to achieve all his dream. So he has been always been believing on our team and believing on the PSC. So I personally feel like even his wishes and dreams will be fulfilling all the coming days. So I just wish and congratulate Vedika, Akib and Terence on their success on behalf of the entire India. So the event what you had been participated, it is a ISO, like internationally trademark registered event. So this was the certificate which she had been given for the winning, and you can see a beautiful certificate with a registered R symbol at the top of the corner, which shows a well registered and well organized event, as we believe in quality not on quantity. So this was the another certificate given to Vedika Falari for attending a 2 days of successful workshop held at Hubli, Karnataka, which was on Feb 29th and March 1st, a very special day, Feb 29th.
Yes.
So, like you can take it as a March 1, a day to remember in your life, as it was a very special to being you crowned as a winner. In fashion industry, when it comes to Goa, like I have already been part of Goa and very much connected to the Goan people, as I've been like connected since more than 14 years. The family, the fashion industry, and like होता है ना, हर किसी के लाइफ में कोई ना कोई गुरु रहता है जिनके वजह से हम आगे बढ़ पा रहे हैं. Like for me in my life, I personally I would like to thank my parents for supporting and backing up me always. Though I have completed my BE mechanical engineer by a profession, but I always was passionate about the modeling. So in modeling, there are a few like mentors who have always been backing up me. Whenever I talk about the Goan fashion industry, like I get one name at the top, that is Mrs. Rahila Khan ma'am. She has always backed up me and mentored very well. A very well-known fashion icons of Goa, and there are a few other names adding on like Miss Joanna. She's a international model from Goa, and there are more names coming up. Like, so I would like to thank everyone whoever been part of my successful journey. So we'll be getting success for sure, with not this time, in a coming next time, but the hard work, dedication is must, not only in modeling, whichever field you choose. So always, like I have told before, Goan city is very connected to me. So hopefully we are going to organize another big coming up show in Goa in the coming days, where you can see the Vedika sitting on the jury panel, as she's been already crowned as the winner, and I feel like she will be again added a tag of international the time while we doing the event. So thank you all the Goan people for watching today's beautiful event with the special guests who are being part of the modeling industry. Thank you Prudent Media on behalf of entire team of PSC and the modeling fraternity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It is platinum coated, guys. It is platinum coated crown. Give her a big round of applause.